As a personal injury attorney, if you're injured in a motor vehicle accident case and you schedule a consultation, part of the consultation will involve going over your own declarations page of your auto policy. So that's something that looks like this. It lists all your different coverages. And one specific coverage that we're looking for is whether or not you have something on your policy that's called uninsured motorist bodily injury coverage. It's also underinsured motorist coverage. So you'll see us refer to it as UM or UIM. Now this becomes important if in fact you're in a serious motor vehicle accident and the other carrier, the other person who's at fault, doesn't have sufficient coverage to cover your injury claim. The other time this becomes important is if you're involved in an accident and say there's no coverage at all covering the vehicle that caused the accident. So if that's the situation, we certainly want to look at your deck sheet to see, do you have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage? And if so, how much of it do you have? Now in Delaware, this is an optional coverage, but they're required to offer it to you. So if in fact we look at your deck sheet and it's not shown on there, we want to know, did you in fact waive that coverage? Because in order for it to be a valid waiver, it has to be in writing. So that's one thing we're going to look into is, did you actually sign a waiver where you waived this coverage? So that's just one thing we look at when you look at your deck sheet, look on there and see whether or not you have this uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. It's the same thing, it just referred to it as one or the other. You might see it referred there as both names.